The perfect eraser is great for removing objects and people from your photograph. So if I want to go into this image and I want to remove all of these other surfers except for one, I can use the perfect eraser to do that. To grab the perfect eraser, head over to your retouch tools in your tool well, or you can hit Q on your keyboard. With the perfect eraser, all you have to do is pick your size. So I'm going to make my brush size just a little bit bigger, and then I'm going to head down to the surfer on the left, and I'll just brush this on him. And it's going to use content aware technology to replace whatever area that I brushed on and make it look natural. So it's removed him right away. And I could just continue that with these other surfers. So now I only have one surfer. The perfect eraser is great for removing objects and people from your photo.